at the boys. It's him.
Confidence.
Hey!
Yeah. It's confidence.
Right there, you
Why? I'm vlogging this.
Yeah, I know you're vlogging it.
Honk! Oh.
This is going vlog.
As soon as you turned on your camera.
Yeah, I'm just getting ready.
I got mine.
I'm texting, so I'm doing texting.
Somebody do it.
Just scream honk, baby. I really wish I
already
had my
did.
socks on. I was able to grab them. Yeah. But, you know, my socks,
I can follow in.
Yeah, I couldn't. He pulled me. Okay, well.
How it records like this.
I don't know that.
It's recording.
I'm really gonna feel you up that far.
This is actually recording pretty cool.
Thinking about if it's. Yeah, just.
I don't know
That's
why.
funny.
I want to see how it does. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
No, it's funny to watch Cheyenne with a yo-yo.
It's shiny.
I laugh if I did this and it flipped right out. Guys, this is some of the weirdest stuff ever. Look at that. I didn't even notice, like, you don't even notice it. I actually thought it was a decoration. The moth right there. I literally thought it was a decoration, and just holy crud. Plus, guys, I know today's vlog is going to be very shaky and blurry, and it's just, I don't like bringing out the vlog as much. I don't like saying this as well. I'm a very nervous vlogger. My personality, like, I'll scream, I'll yell, I'll do stuff. And then I open up my camera to do my vlog, and I become this very nervous person. So I'm a nervous vlogger. I have no idea why, because I really want to do this stuff. It's just, I'm nervous. I don't like doing it. But I do. I love opening up the camera, because I love watching the footage after. The footage after is just priceless. But during photos, I don't know why, I feel nervous. Unless I'm doing a project or with maybe one friend, I feel less nervous, but I don't know why, I feel nervous a lot of the time. So, I'm trying to get better. I forgot again to end yesterday's vlog. I do it every so often. So, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. So hope to see you guys in the next vlog. Follow your dreams. Peace.